Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Breakfast at Tiffany's, where we love to shop 24/7. Today I'm shopping at Target in the fake nail section. So I wanted to share with you what fake nails they have at Target so you can do it yourself. They have these super cute Glam Fantasy gold nails. They're so pretty. And I love when the nails come with like more than one color or pattern. I'm thinking of trying these Jelly Fantasy nails because they just look so buttery and smooth. They look like jelly. And then they have these Nail Addict. I do have the ones on the left with the colored tips French manicure. And they are really small, so they're good if you don't have nails already. And then they have these that are super bougie. But I've never tried any others from this brand. I just tried the ones with the colored tips, and it didn't even cover my whole nail because they were so small, but those look like they would. And look how cute these are. It's like got an ombre one, it's got a beige one, and it's got like a jeweled one. I really like these. But I hadn't done a nail video in a while. I thought I would do a fake nail shopping video like I used to. And I like this marble one with the gray. And then they have a basic French manicure. They have Kiss brand. I really like this one with the like white cream color and then the jewels. So if I get any of these, I'll do a video on what they look like. But I'm thinking of getting the Jelly Fantasy or Jelly Fantasy ones, I think is what they call. But I'm also gonna get some nail polish today because I want a new color. But as you can see at Target, they have like these nail paint brushes, everything that you need like to do your own nails. And I noticed these 2-in-1, and it has a top coat on one side and a color on the other. I thought those were really cool. So I'm gonna get one of those as a Christmas gift for somebody. And I think I'm going to get the blue with the clear top coat because the person that it's for likes the color blue. But I would get this one if it was for me because I like pink. But then there's this shade of blue, which is like a periwinkle. But I think I'm just going to get the dark blue, this one. But that's a super cool idea. Like you could throw it in your purse, and if you're going on vacation or something. And I'm going to show you what I got. So I ended up getting an Essie nail polish, and it's super pretty. And the color name is what? S'il vous plaît. It's really hard to focus with this iPhone. This iPhone 13, it doesn't focus as good, but it's like S'il vous plaît. S'il vous plaît. It's got a little French thrown in there. And I took Spanish, so I don't know a lot of French. But I thought this was a really pretty color. It's like pink. And in a future video, I'll show you what it looks like on the nail.